Hi, I am Reza Basafa. I'm a mechanical engineer with over 7 years of experience specializing in energy simulation, HVAC system design, and 3D modeling. My goal is helping clients to create more sustainable and energy-efficient buildings that meet industry standards while cutting operational costs. Let me walk you through how I do it. Building energy modeling is at the heart of my work. Using advanced tools like DesignBuilder and EnergyPlus, I analyze how buildings consume energy and optimize design to make them more efficient. These simulations not only reduce energy use, but also help my clients meet sustainability goals and cut costs. Next, 3D modeling. I use tools like Revit MEP, AutoCAD, and Blender to create detailed realistic models of buildings and their components. From structural design to HVAC layouts, these models allow clients to visualize the final project before construction. This reduces errors, streamlines workflows, and ensures every detail is accounted for. My expertise also extends to engineering programming. Using Python and MATLAB, I create custom solutions to solve complex challenges. From automation scripts to advanced mechanical and energy system analysis. These tools help streamline processes, save time, and deliver accurate results. Here's what my previous clients have to say about working with me. Each project I undertake is a step toward creating smarter and more sustainable systems. My goal is to provide valuable, efficient solutions that make a real impact, whether through energy modeling, 3D visualization, or tailored engineering solutions. I'm committed to helping you succeed. If you're an architect, developer, or engineer looking for energy-efficient solution or expert building modeling, let's connect. Together, we can design greener and smarter buildings. Thank you for watching.